Careless Whisper is without doubt one of the most recognisable saxophone melodies of all time. I mean, it's like an ambassador for the saxophone all by itself. It's an iconic tune written in 1981 and released in 1984 by Andrew Ridgeley and George Michael and, of course, the band Wham. It is a fantastic song, and it's definitely, if you play at a party, if you play the saxophone at all, it's definitely one of the songs that people are going to ask you to do. The thing with Careless Whisper is that if somebody says, "Can you play Careless Whisper?" what they really want to hear is the iconic. They really want you to hear you play that, which is of course the beautiful opening of Careless Whisper. But if you're like someone like me that plays at weddings or corporate functions, you can't just play the lick. You need to understand and be able to play the entire tune. Now the thing is that I cannot do this type of tutorial on YouTube because I will get a copyright strike. So I have put this on my website, but I have created a tutorial for Careless Whisper, which is a very clear tutorial. And I'm going to show you some clips. So one of the things that on Careless Whisper is before the saxophone player does that beautiful, they do a gliss, which is this. A gliss is the word that we use to describe a fast run up. They do that gliss, and I take you through the gliss, so let's have a look at that. And if I do that a bit more quickly, but you don't really have to go very much quicker than that in order for it to sound effective. Then in this tutorial, I also take you through the iconic lick. So let's have a quick look at that, and I'll show you the PDF. And so I'm going to play the first line. And then I also take you step by step through the melody. What I've done in this tutorial is that I have put letter names instead of manuscript notes. I have put the letter names of each note that you play underneath the lyrics, and this is like a fast track way to learn this song. Now you do need to have a high familiarity with this song and have listened to it loads, which is not a horrible thing to do because it's such a fantastic tune. So I do suggest you listen to it a lot. But the way that this tutorial goes, and I'll show you on the PDF here, is that I have put letter names underneath the syllables so that you know exactly where you are. So in this tutorial, I break it down really clearly in a way that hopefully, regardless of your level, you'll definitely be able to get this, even if you don't read music. I also give you a recording of me playing this so you can hear what it can sound like. You get a PDF with all of the letter names on and all of the lyrics. You get a backing track, which is yours to keep. So even if you don't read music, you'll still be able to follow along and have a go. And you'll really enjoy playing Careless Whisper because it is such a fabulous tune. It's on the website now, available for alto saxophone, and I'll be working for one for tenor saxophone too. So come and learn one of the most famous saxophone solos ever recorded. It is pure sax magic. It's so much fun. Head over to my website now, Sax Made Simple. There's a link in the description below, and I really hope that you enjoy doing it. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.